Hello everyone, my name is Samuel Oyemi. Welcome to H-QTV. And this video I'm just going to show you about a new update about Athene Network, and is called revenue. So under your home screen interface on Athene Network, click on your revenue. You are going to find it there. So I'm just going to break this down to you, and you can see now ATH revenue sharing, and I'm just going to start with the first one. So listen please, total revenue of this month, you can see now like total revenue that they have generated for this month is 20 million. I think this 20 million gem. Okay, it's 20 million gem. As you can see, this 20 million gem, not ATH. So, and from KYC fields, we have 900,000. Can see now that means there are 900,000 ATH, and from transfer fees ATH. And the transfer fees means that maybe you want to transfer internal within the Athene network, so that's what it means. You want to transfer to another person within the Athene network, and that means that we have 1,434,433, and that is from transfer fees ATH. And the next one is from boost fees. So I think when you want to obtain premium, so okay, not premium, I think you want to boost like maybe 20 or 40 or 100 or 300, if you burn 900, you are going to get 9,000. If you burn 300, you are going to get 30,000 reward. So that's what it means, like burning your ATH. So from boost fee and from on deck fee. So if you like deck and you want to withdraw your deck, so there's a fee for that. So the amount is 774,210, and for the boost fee, that is burning your ATH. So the fee there is 17,436,000. I think, okay, wait, this boost can be particular to maybe the premium or those that want to burn the ATH. So it's not they don't say it's maybe it's to a premium or those that or those people that burn their ATH. So the next one is distribution rules, and as you can see now, 70% burn forever. That means that 14,381,550 ATH burn already burn as for like why we are making this video, burn forever. And the next one is 15% for golden membership bonus, and I think the amount is $99 if you want to get that. And let's look to the number, that is 3,081,761 ATH. As you can see now, gold membership bonus that they are going to distribute to gold membership bonus, that is what it means. And for the silver bonus, they are going to get 10% of this bonus, and don't forget that 15% is going to go to golden membership premium, and that is 2,054,507 ATH for silver membership bonus. And the last one is 5%, and it's going to go to bronze membership bonus, and that is 1,227,254 ATH. And this is all the breakdown of ATH revenue sharing. Thanks for watching my YouTube video. I'm going to see you in my next video. Make sure that you subscribe, and please join my Athene network. Let's do this together. I'm going to see you in my next video. Peace.